Hello, good night, ma'am. My name is Imade Haris Ardayana, number absent 13 in class 11 Sen 6. Today, I here will make a presentation about analytical exposition. Analytical exposition have 5 elements. Number 1, definition. Number 2, social function. Number 3, generic structure. Number 4, language feature. Number 5, kind of analytical exposition. Number 1, definition of analytical exposition is analytical exposition is a text contains the author's opinion about the things that happen around him. Number 2, social function. Social function of analytical expression is the purpose of analytical expression is the purpose analytical exposition text is to convince the writer that the topic presented is an important topic to discuss. Number 3, generic structure. The generic structure have 3 elements. Number 1, thesis. Number 2, argument. Number 3, reiteration. Number 1, thesis. Thesis is introducing the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. Number 2, argument. Argument is explaining to argument to support the writer's position or the main topic. Number 3 and the last, reiteration. Reiteration is reaffirmation of the author's position and opinion on the main topic. Reiteration is also often referred to as a conclusion. Number 4, language feature. Language feature of analytical exposition have 4 elements. Number 1, using simple present tense. Number 2, using thinking verb. Number 3, using internal conjunction. Number 4 and the last, using causal conjunction. Number 5, kind of analytical exposition. Number 1, legal defense is text containing. Number 2, speech or lecture is this speech in the same as speaking in Indonesia. So speech is an activity of speaking in front of many people with the aim of persuading people. Number 3, editor. This editorial is in the newspaper. The reason for this editorial includes in the analytical exposition because the purpose view and writers to discuss issues that are developing in the community. Number 4, letter. Letter are a meaning of communication to convey written information by one party to another with the aim of sending the message from the sender. Number 5, political flare. Political flare are acts of political leftists created by members of the public who photographer and classify what comes in through their doors at election time. Number 6, essay. An essay is prose essay that discusses a problem in passing from the author's personal point of view. Number 7 and the last is newspaper. Newspaper is a newspaper or news that usually use paper print media. The reason why newspaper are included in the analytical exposition is because newspaper aim to provide the last information and new to the public. Example from kind of analytical exposition or newspaper is global warming. Global warming is it an end to our world. Global warming is a phenomenon used to describe the gradual increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere and ocean. Global warming is not a new problem, but lately people are acknowledging that we are facing a seriously problem. Climate change is apparent everywhere. Violent crops, economic slowdown, and deforestation are among the several impacts of global warming. First or all, there is irrefutable evidence that human activities have changed the atmosphere of our Earth. Since that time, we have been industrializing. We start polluting our water and air, and have been releasing greenhouse gas that contribute to global warming. Secondly, according to research by the Greenpeace organization, there is evidence of extensive deforestation being carried out in Indonesia and other tropical countries around the world. These forests are used to grow crops like palm, sugar, palm oil, and coffee. The leveling of Western society or Greenpeace report 2007. The impact of climate change in notable throughout Asia Asia Pacific, either during hot day or too much rain accompanied by wind and thunderstorm. This has started to affect the economy as well. Furthermore, the shifting weather patterns have made it difficult for farmers to grow crops. Recent study has shown that due to unpredictable weather patterns, there have been a lot of failed crops. Since 2007. In conclusion, global warming is not a new problem, or are we solely responsible for it? But as the citizens of the world, we have to take every possible action to help overcome this issue. It is not only for us but for all the future generations to follow. The reason this global warming text is included in the essay is because this global warming text contains the problem or global warming and contains a present point of view. A simple presentation of example global warming. Paragraph 1 kalimat 1, paragraph 1 kalimat 2, paragraph 5 kalimat 1, paragraph 3 kalimat 2. Number 2, using internet conjunction of example global warming. Number 1 paragraph 1 kalimat 2 kata but. Number 2 paragraph 2 kalimat 1 kata kalimat 1 first. Number 3 paragraph 3 kalimat 1 secondly. Number 3, casual conjunction of analytic of example global warming is paragraph 4 kalimat 2 due to, paragraph 3 kalimat 1 by. Number 4, internal conjunction, paragraph 4 kalimat 1 furthermore. Thank you for watching. If there is a wrong words, please forgive. And have a nice day. Thank you.